Hello everyone, welcome to Wenzhong Talk. I'm Wenzhong.
And I'm Daniel.
At Excel, we always say our consumer units are built strong. But what that really mean? Let's open one and show you why electricians across the UK are switching to Excel. This is Excel's 10 usable way consumer unit, designed for ground up for stringent safety and easy to install. We use 1.2 mm reinforced steel and also 1.5 mm lead bracket, and we also have extra thin rail support. This is solid when you are wearing, and no flex, no struggling, just precision.
What I like about the boards is straight away you notice the space you have and the matte finish. You also have 20, 25 and 32mm knockouts which pop cleanly, and the busbar shroud is fully enclosed with which comes with the board, and each board comes complete with a tail gland as standard. Small details but make a big difference when you're on site.
We have tested this unit under serious pressure and they hold up. This is a kind of strength you can feel. Even the coating is designed to resist wear and scratch over the time.
Electricians tell us that the Excel boards look and feel premium, but they're more affordable than the big name brands and with better build quality than the budget brands.
That's correct. Excel gives you better quality without the inflation of price. And for wholesalers, love it because it helps them to sell more confidence and make more margin. If you are an electrician who wants something stronger and smarter, ask your local wholesaler for Excel.
And if you're a wholesaler looking to stock Excel, get in touch. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.